Hello, my name is Jose Roberto Aguila Sanchez, and together with my partner Eduardo, we will give a brief explanation about the process of Axapot. Introduction: the design of robots with a biological characteristics has grown, uh, grown as electronics and power supply degrades in size. The application range from feasibility applications, the academic events that require the realization of tasks on uneven terrain of danger for the being a human. This work presents the design and construction of a hexapod, a robot, during the which was considered the integration of the design mechanical, electronic and programming in an electronic system. There is the advantage of copying slow insect movement in machines' legs according to the conclusions in these animals seem to give no coordination central of leg movement. Instead of tools, each leg seems to have an individual control. Example or six-axis positioning system. What is Hexapod? Hexapod is a motion control system thanks to the six and of legs of adjusted length. It can perform movements in three rotary axes and three linear axes simultaneously. What role does Hexapod system have is measuring technology. In measuring technology, Hexapod is especially suited for calibrating force sensors and or torque sensors, for example, wheel force reducer. In this case, normally two examples are used: one mobile for controls and regulation, and the other static as a reference for the calibration measurement values.
Hello teacher, I will continue with the presentation. Objectives. The general objectives of this work was to build a Hexapod robot with moment compatibility, self-supporting on each leg, reducing the number of degrees of the frenum with slowing, implement an operating system of motion control with structure programmable, convert geometric information into format to manufacture in prototypes fast and or CNC analyze and simulate the mechanism of master the movement. This work focus of the integration of producers for the design and construction of passes that a robot comprise part of the premise the mechatronic design in the interaction of branches of engineering. Although the robot is inspired by morphology insects, allowed to for some degree possibility biologic it's the thing in the internet emulate the biomechanics based functionalities necessary for the robot implement the locomotion of some insect range while a proposal for content of this work. Materials. Materials are a piece of cardboard, then two butters to generate motor, a 9 volts battery, tags or pins, a battery holder, cables. Mechanical designs. Machinal designs. The leg designs is a 4-way mechanism. The motors are attached to the frame with the ground contact point in the foot is an extension of the culprit link. The analysis of the moment aims to have control of the height of the leg. This is necessary for tasks like evaluating terrain and cadence routines, results and conclusions. This work presented the feasibility of the things and the walking example rover according to the development present of algorithms for controlling the angles of the joints in the extremities has been recorded in the electronic system. This algorithm has proven in the effectiveness in the results experimental work. The factors the complications to control of guide moment are 1. The number of cavitation of the moments varies continuously. 2. Or curvy rods the legs must move at different speeds. 3. It might be necessary that the movement of the legs are adapted to the characteristics of the terrain. 4. The geometry of the system might vary due to the state of suspension of even such a loss of damage of the leg with walking.